Hey everyone, it's Forex Strategy Factory here. The Forex market can be pretty intimidating, especially if you're just starting out. But the truth is, you don't have to navigate it alone. There are tons of incredible resources out there that can give you the knowledge and tools you need to succeed. So in this video, we're diving deep into the top resources that will help you master Forex trading and start developing those winning strategies. YouTube is a goldmine for learning Forex trading, but with so much content, it can be overwhelming. One channel I highly recommend is Forex Strategy Factory. They break down complex trading strategies into easy-to-understand tutorials. They focus on building a solid foundation, so you're not just blindly following signals, but actually understanding the why behind every move. There are also channels dedicated to unconventional strategies that give you an edge. The key takeaway is to absorb as much knowledge as you can and experiment with different strategies until you find what works best for you.
Books are still one of the most powerful tools in a trader's arsenal. They offer deep, comprehensive knowledge that you can't get from short videos or quick articles. Two books every trader should have are Trading for a Living by Dr. Alexander Elder and The Little Book of Currency Trading by Kathy Lean. Trading for a Living covers trading psychology, technical analysis, and risk management. The Little Book of Currency Trading provides practical strategies and clear guidance for Forex trading. Both books delve into the mental game of trading, which is crucial for long-term success. Take the time to dive in, take notes, and apply what you learn.
One of the best things about the trading world is the sense of community. Online forums and communities are goldmines for learning and sharing strategies. One platform I highly recommend is Baby Pips. It's super beginner friendly with tons of free courses and a supportive community. Another amazing forum is Forex Factory, geared towards experienced traders. It's a great place to stay updated on market sentiment and get different perspectives. The beauty of these communities is that you're learning from the collective experience and knowledge of everyone on it.
For a more casual way to learn about Forex, check out Quora and Reddit. These platforms are like giant Q&A forums where you can find answers to any question, including Forex trading strategies. On Quora, search for questions like, what are the best strategies for Forex trading? Or, what are some common Forex trading mistakes to avoid? You'll find detailed answers from experienced traders. Reddit has a dedicated subreddit for Forex r/Forex, where traders share their thoughts and discuss everything from technical analysis to risk management. Always do your own research and don't blindly follow any advice you see online. Use these platforms to gather information and spark your own ideas.
If you're serious about mastering Forex trading, invest in your education with free resources available on educational websites. One website I always recommend is Investopedia. It's like the Wikipedia of finance, with detailed articles on everything from technical and fundamental analysis to risk management and trading psychology. Another fantastic website is DailyFX. They offer free resources, including webinars, strategy guides, and expert analysis. The key with these websites is to be consistent. Make it a habit to check in regularly, read articles, watch webinars, and absorb as much knowledge as you can.
So there you have it, guys. Those are some of the best resources to help you master Forex trading and start developing winning strategies. Remember, the key is to never stop learning, experimenting, and refining your approach. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more Forex trading tips and strategies. Now get out there, start exploring these resources, and crush it in the Forex market.